Hi student, how are you? Hope that you are healthy and staying at your home with happily. So today we'll discuss the remaining part of the uh, question answer of the topic, the family relationship. So already we have done that the answer of E part of the following question. Then we have value based question. Here in value based question, each member of a family is important, unique, and has special qualities. What special qualities of your family members do you admire and appreciate? This is the question you have to write. Student, we are learning and looking or watching, observing many things from our family members, many qualities, special qualities, like their uh, good behave, then their moral values, skill, uh, then how the uh, family members, especially mothers, are caring, sharing, loving, all the things what you are observing, and okay, you are looking, that you are admire of the family members, you write in your value based question. Okay, then now come to the mapping skill. Look at the political map of India. Trace the boundaries of the following. The political map, here given uh, some of the at state list you have to find. Delhi, Delhi is here near about the Uttar Pradesh. Here is the Delhi. Then after Delhi, Uttar Pradesh is also, Uttar Pradesh is here. You just looked. Okay, this is Uttar Pradesh. Then now come to Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir is the top of the India map. Okay, in the north, this is Jammu Kashmir. Then Assam in the east. Here is the Assam. You just look. uh, okay, then Assam. Next question, a state that you want to visit. uh, which state very much likable for you, where you want to visit? You just select a name or the state and mark the state. Suppose I want to go Uttarakhand. So where is Uttarakhand? Okay, Uttarakhand is here near the Himachal Pradesh or Nepal. Okay, so as you wish, where you want to go or visit, you just select the state, and okay, like this you do the mapping skill in map. Then come to the something to do. Here, discuss with your parents and list 5 moral values that are important for every person. So one of the answer already given, like this. You have to write, like in first, truth, in be honest, helpful, kind, love, care, whatever it may be, you have to write. Then next question, second number, extended family includes paternal and maternal families. Meet your extended family and fill the following. Already I have taught you that who are the paternal family members and who are the maternal family members, and what are the relationship with the family members, like a paternal and maternal. We already that differentiated the paternal parents and maternal parents, like this. Here the first question is your father's brother's sister name. Means here the here asking the question about your paternal relationship or paternal family members. Means your father's brother's sister means your aunt. Okay, your father's brothers means your uncle and or sisters. Here the question is your father's brothers or sister name. Means you can write your father's brother means your uncle's name, or sister name means your father's sister means your auntie's name you can write. Then in second, your mother's brothers and sister name. Here also the mother's brother and sister name. Here also the mother's brothers and mother's sister name you have to write. What will the relation? This is the paternal relationship. Then your cousin name, you can write your cousin name in D. Your grandparents, brother, sister name. Okay, here not mentioned by any like paternal or maternal. You just write here. Then your grandmother, brothers and sister name. Here also you have to put the answer. Then question number third. Prepare a family album. Write down a small poem or few lines about any three family members. Okay, you should do something, some extra co-curricular activity, otherwise you should not do it. Okay, and one thing, in your fair copy you should not write something to do, is just write in your book. Later I will check it in your book, no need to write in your copy. Then question number 4. Family celebrations are a time of enjoyment for all the members of a family. Name a family celebration that you enjoy. Must explain the reason for the same. So here the question is asking you, a family is celebrating some festivals or some ceremonies, anniversaries, whatever it may be, and what the celebration is celebrating by the family members, and you are enjoying or you are joining with the family member in that celebration. So then that celebration, what type of celebration you are enjoying, explain about this. You write something here. Okay, then question number 5. The size of the family increase with the birth of a baby and by marriage. There, okay. There must have been a marriage or a birth of baby in your family in recent year. How do you address the new members? Okay, so how the family member is increasing, it is okay ultimately by burning, okay, by birth a baby or by a new marriage, then the member of a family is increasing. If suppose in your home there is a new marriage or a newborn baby, then how you will address to that new baby? We are saying just like new guest, they he and she came, we are saying like this. Okay, what you want and how you will explain, you just do it. Okay, then next we'll go to the next page. Then question number 6. Here question number 6. See your old family album or talk to your grandparents. Compare the house in which they lived when they are your age with the house of you live now. So here also you have to do in your book. See your old family album and talk to your grandparents. Compare the house in which they lived when they were your age. You just ask your grandparents. Now your age is just like 6, 7, 8, 9, like this, and at that age your grandparent what they were doing, you just ask and write here. In the box you have to fill up area they were coming from, urban or rural area. Urban means village area, rural means village area and urban means city area or town area. Okay, size. Okay, the size, number of members, size means big and small, and number of family members, how many members were there, then materials used. These are the things you have to write. Then riddle game. He is your father's father, but is your, you just think here, here is your father's father means your grandfather. Okay, you have to write grandfather, the relationship of the, we are saying just like this is the blood relationship. Okay, in B, she is your mother's niece but is your, that is your cousin. Then your sister's aunt is your what, your sister aunt is your aunt. Then in D, your maternal grandparents only daughter is your mother. Your maternal grandparents means your grandmother, that is your maternal grandmother. Okay, or grandfather, your maternal grandparents only daughter is your mother. Then come to the last question. He has the same parent, he is your dex in a same parent means your sibling, that means that is your brother or sister. You can write in a book. Later I will check. Okay, so we have finished the chapter number 1, the family relationship, almost all the questions. I think no doubt you have. If any doubt you will face, then you can contact me by WhatsApp or by personal number. Then we will discuss or clear the doubts. Till then, uh, okay, uh, we'll now close this. So thank you. Bye bye to all.